Just want to document this. My car was perfectly clean when I went to bed last night, and I thought pterodactyls were extinct. Look at this shit. Yeah, I gotta get working on that. Can you believe that? I mean, it's splattered all over the car. Like, look, it's all over. It's just spots all over. This fucking whatever bird. Look. This is all it is. It's just splattered. The fucker nailed my car. Dude, they got something against me? Did I, like, kill one of their relatives or something? What the fuck? It's terrible. They fucked my car right up. Fuckers. Thought I'd show you that. That's really not fair. I have a new hatred for birds now. Yeah. Fucking assholes.